Go.
Ciao.
You robbed my money from my wallet, right?
Sì, io...
We came back to Cividale because Enrico's parents are there. So we're gonna show them around a bit and eat gelato together. And right now they're having a kind of market in the center. They're selling mostly crafty things. And then there's this slide. Enrico,
Ciao.
you robbed my money from my wallet, right?
Sì, you say I robbed, and I will remind you that I pay the rent, the bills and everything. So I robbed in your way, robbed.
He bought some socks. And then I looked at my wallet to pay because I'm the one who carries cash. And then there was no money in there. I'm like, what happened? But then I remembered he asked to borrow 25 euros yesterday, and then he had taken. Okay, we came back to our favorite gelateria here in this piazza in the corner. Al Duomo. And Enrico's mom is here this time. Quale gusti preso?
Mandorla e amarena.
Mandorla, so almond and cherry. And I got yogurt, but the Gubana, which is my favorite one, down there. Enrico just got yogurt. Yogurt flavored ice cream is actually really good. So I think my face is swollen a bit, but because it's so hot here, it's like into the 30s, 35 sometimes. I don't know, how hot is it today? 33 today, he said. It's very hot. And at night, it's like 27, 30. It's really hot at night too.
Chiedi alla mamma come va via
And we
quando
don't
si
have air
legno a
conditioning,
140 di
so
metronomo.
I don't know, I feel like my body kind of is swelling. This is a lemon slushy, but in Italian it's called a granita. Granita, like that.
Buono.
They're very like lemony, not like fake lemon, but like real lemon. I'm in the shade right now. So now I'm going to be the tour guide for the guys behind me, and I'm going to show them all around Cividale. Me, I'm from Toronto. I'm going to show these Italians who are from around here. It's the same streets that I did in my previous video, so I've already showed you the scenery and stuff before, and so you can watch those videos if you want to see where I'm going, like the streets that I'm going through. But I remember exactly where I went and, you know, what there is to see, so I can re-show them. I can redo it. This is where the tour actually starts, from here. Oh, but you can see him there. Inside here, you can kind of see some old tools and things. But I don't actually know what this place is. It's almost like a museum inside, or an art gallery maybe? So we're back on this street. But Enrico's mom isn't feeling well, so maybe we're gonna go home soon. Under this bridge, after the medieval house. And then there's this bridge. These are the roses that I showed you last time, and they've opened. I just really like flowers. And we're back here. No, but what kind of place is this? There's a little cat here sleeping. They're so cute. See. Wait, there's another cat here. Ciao. They're so cute. So there's a cat in both windows. I don't know what place this is. Okay, so I asked, and this is a place where you can leave cats that you want to abandon or that you found abandoned. Can you imagine? Oh, no, this is poor babies. They have a nice place here, though. So hot. This is where they live now. And then there's one in that window too, but it's in the corner. Yeah. He's kind of... sometimes we drink wine in this place. We came home now. This is the mark from the hat, but the hat is so cool because you can roll it up, put it in your bag, and look, we came home. The daylilies are doing very good. I think this is like the original daylily. It's not. There's no name for the breed, I think. And then these are African violets. I think that's what they're called. Or I'm not sure, but they grow roadside here. Here you can see those flowers that I really love. They actually do have a scent, a very light, sweet scent. And there we have the jasmine. The smell of jasmine is really powerful, and these days it's everywhere. So the smell of jasmine is very, very powerful, and these days I feel kind of nauseous sometimes because it's very sweet. So, but just sometimes, but it's really because it's so hot here. So the hot and the humid and the sweet kind of powerful scent can be too much sometimes. But yeah, it's so hot these days. It's called African wind, and like, you know how in North America we have Indian summer, so here it's African summer, and now right now we're in African summer already. These are my red daylilies. Here it is. I really forgot the breed, but it's like a peachy kind of orange, almost orange, but more peach kind of color. I think this one might be African Queen. These ones here, those are going to open later. Lilies smell awesome too. I love them. Hi, Freyja. Freyja has to stay in all day now because it's so hot outside, and then in the evening around 6 or 7 we let her go out a little. And so here are the lollipop lilies, and this one ended up being single flower. And look, this is a double.